Traveling with family is super special. It's a chance to make amazing memories in new and exciting places. Imagine building sandcastles on a sunny beach with your kids. Think about trying new foods all together. These are the moments we remember forever. Sharing these experiences brings families closer. You laugh together, you learn together, and you create stories that last a lifetime. Every trip, whether near or far, is a chance to grow and bond as a family. Remember that the best travel experiences are about the journey, not just the destination. It's about the silly moments in the car, the funny things your kids say, and the shared excitement of discovering something new. These are the memories you'll cherish. Let's be honest, traveling with kids isn't always easy. We've all been there. The meltdowns, the picky eaters, the endless packing. It can get stressful. Long flights can be tough on little ones and parents too. Delays happen, and sometimes your carefully planned itinerary goes out the window. And let's not forget the costs. Traveling as a family can get expensive, especially when planning for multiple flights, accommodations, and activities. But don't worry, these challenges don't have to ruin your trip. With a little planning and a lot of patience, you can create a wonderful travel experience for your family. One of the biggest challenges of family travel is keeping everyone happy, especially during long journeys. But don't worry, I've got some tricks up my sleeve. First things first, pack snacks, and I mean lots of them. A hungry kid is a grumpy kid, so having familiar snacks on hand can be a lifesaver. Keeping kids entertained is key. Bring small new toys and books to keep them engaged, and don't underestimate the power of a tablet loaded with their favorite movies or shows. Remember to break up long travel days with stops for stretching, running around, or just enjoying a change of scenery. A little fresh air and movement can work wonders for everyone's mood. Section 4. Packing like a pro. Less stress, more fun. Packing for a family trip can feel like you're moving mountains, but packing smart can make all the difference. My top tip, pack light. Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched. And don't forget to involve the kids in packing their own bags. It's a great way to teach them responsibility and avoid any I don't have anything to wear dramas. When it comes to packing for beach destinations, think about what you'll need for fun in the sun. Swimsuits, hats, and sunscreen are a must. And here's a little secret. Pack a few surprises for the kids to discover on the trip. It could be a new book, a small game, or a special snack. Section 5. Memories over milestones. Embrace the journey. Remember, family travel isn't about checking off destinations on a list. It's about creating memories that will last a lifetime. It's about the shared experiences, the funny mishaps, and the moments of pure joy that happen when you step outside your comfort zone together. Don't get too caught up in planning the perfect trip. Sometimes the most memorable moments are the unplanned ones. So embrace the journey, embrace the little moments, and remember that the most important thing is spending quality time together as a family. If you love these tips, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more family travel adventures. and comment below. Where's your favorite family destination? I'd love to hear. Don't forget to grab your free ebook, 10 Things You Should Know About Travel. Until next time, happy travels.